Best practices for Authorize.net events involve a set of guidelines and recommendations to ensure seamless and secure transaction processing. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Authorize.net and its event system. Authorize.net is a payment gateway that enables businesses to accept online payments securely. The event system is a mechanism that notifies merchants of various events, such as transactions, refunds, and errors. The first step in implementing best practices for Authorize.net events is to set up event notifications. This involves configuring the merchant interface to send notifications to a specified URL when an event occurs. It is crucial to use a secure URL, such as HTTPS, to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Another critical aspect is to handle event notifications securely. When an event notification is received, it is essential to verify the authenticity of the request by checking the signature and other parameters. This ensures that the notification is genuine and not a result of tampering or spoofing. Best practices also dictate that event notifications should be processed asynchronously. This means that the event notification should not block or delay other system processes. Instead, it should be handled in the background, allowing other tasks to continue uninterrupted. Additionally, it is vital to log and track event notifications for auditing and debugging purposes. This helps to identify any issues or discrepancies and provides a clear record of all events. In terms of specific best practices, it is recommended to use a unique identifier for each event notification, such as a transaction ID or event ID. This enables merchants to track and manage events more efficiently. Furthermore, it is advised to implement retry logic to handle cases where event notifications fail or time out. To illustrate these concepts, consider a practical example. Suppose an e-commerce platform integrates with Authorize.net to process payments. When a customer makes a purchase, Authorize.net sends an event notification to the platform's server, indicating that the transaction has been approved. The server then verifies the notification, logs the event, and updates the order status accordingly. In conclusion, best practices for Authorize.net events are critical for ensuring secure, reliable, and efficient transaction processing. By following these guidelines and recommendations, merchants can minimize errors, reduce security risks, and provide a better experience for their customers. By understanding and implementing these best practices, businesses can optimize their payment processing and improve their overall operations.